Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Mrs. Independent, and I am not a lawyer but just a member of an honorable court of public opinion. Let's go back to Rata's court where we talk about Mr. Mngomezulu. Guys, let us pray for Mr. Mngomezulu's health and his well-being. So today, as they started with the new witness, the tracker lady. So he was like sitting there and he was cringing, and you could tell like it's like he had some stomach cramps sort of when you're looking at him from distance. And then yeah, as Balo went on and on, but I think 30 minutes or like almost an hour into the court proceedings, then Baloy highlighted to the court that Mr. Mngomezulu is not feeling well, and yeah, he seeks medical attention. So they had to adjourn, and yeah, they had to adjourn for him to get medical assistance. But the old judge, you know him, he never showed, like he didn't show anymore. He just asked adjournment for how long, and then Advocate Mngomezulu said for 30 minutes, and they went on adjournment. Now it's 14:03. They still haven't come back, so I don't think they're gonna come back today. But let's put him in our prayers and his family so that he can, recover, recoup, and come back strong and healthy. So, if you don't know Advocate Mngomezulu is a criminal defense lawyer who is fierce and brilliant in this case. He was even not paid for 5 months, but you know what? He showed up and he delivered. Legal aid said, "No, we're not paying you," but the angs of Sibia said, "No, it's fine, we will pay you. It's okay." Advocate Baloyi was brought in by Ramusibile for trial within trial, and as the trial within trial ended, then Sibia took him for representation. So he is so fierce, he's brilliant. He's the one who exposed that Longwe shot himself on an ankle. He's the one who exposed that Longwe was taken to a certain doctor, and he was booked in as his younger brother. His medication was delivered by someone else. He exposed so many things, he even had a squabble with the judge, and he told the judge that like he's going to sort of report him, and the judge was like, yeah, you can take me on review. But it was a very serious altercation with the judge. And again, what happened to him? Oh, there were people who actually jumped into his yard and the dog barked, and those people jumped out of his yard and ran away. They disappeared into the thin air. So basically, Advocate Mngomezulu never had it easy in this court. And how can we forget the heartfelt letter that he penned to Judge Ratamu Kgwatleng when he didn't appear in court? Let's take a listen to the letter.
Otherwise, I was just going to keep it to myself. Okay, here's the letter. It's dated the 20th March 2024 at 16:21. Good day, Judge Mokgwatleng. The above matter refers Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, Pretoria High Court, North Gauteng. I write this email to express my apology for my non-appearance in court. I had discussions with my colleagues last Friday whereby I asked Advocate Munyeki to stand in for me during the testimonies of Ms. Matlapi and the photographer. The request was adhered to by Advocate Munyeki. On Monday, I asked Mr. Ramusipiri to stand in for me, and he agreed in the presence of other counsels. I received instructions on an urgent basis wherein 74 motor vehicles were impounded, repossessed by the company called Automatic Automobile SA Pty Ltd. I took this opportunity because I was not receiving fees for the past 5 months and legal aid South Africa declined to pay. I need to close the unpaid school fees for my daughter and my two sons and my house bond. Today at 16:15, I called Mr. Baloyi. He did not answer my call, but due to his professionalism, he returned my call and we had a discussion. However, before Advocate Baloyi returned my call, I called Ramos Dipili and sent him a WhatsApp message, but he did not respond. Furthermore, I called Advocate Moshololo, who also did not answer my call, but showed professionalism by returning my call at 9:30. I then asked her to speak to Ms. Selepe, whom I conveyed the message for the judge. I attempted to call the secretary, Ms. Rose Selepe, and I left a message. I do not have anything against your leadership since I have known you from Clemson House. I was on the fourth floor with Norman Masanabo, the late. I did not receive the transcript of the main trial and I have not consulted with accused one. I ran a trial within a trial without going through the evidence of the main trial, and I'm proceeding with the main trial only with 636 through 10 through 2014 disclosure. That is the case. I have noticed that other councils are offered assistance if they are engaged somewhere else, but different situation in my case. Kindly find room to accept my apology. I do not have any vendetta against your lordship. Regards, Tulani Mngomezulu. Okay, that's thanks. I regard the matter.
Again, do you remember when he had an eye problem and judge made mockery of it in the court when he told the court judge that he's having a problem with the eye and that I have hygiene here. Yeah, I think we seriously need to pray for his family, for his health, and for his safety. He is the only advocate who told the whole court, Baloyi and the judge, that the evidence that is being brought by these witnesses is cooking. It has been cooked. It's just fabrication, and yet without fear or favor.